Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a high skin fade step-by-step tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and tell me your opinion about this haircut in the comment. Let's get into it. So we start from the top, from the middle, and cutting backward. Now I'm just cutting a little bit from the top as you are watching. The next step is left side, and I'm picking same amount of the middle side and cutting backward. After that is cutting the right side and connect the top to the side. And you can see how much I'm cutting. The next step is connecting the crown part to the back and we finish the top. Now we start from the side using the trimmer and cutting that much of the side with the trimmer from side to side. And the next step is using guard 1.5 and the lever is 3/4 open. And you can see I'm not cutting so much high and I'm not going so much high. And you have to be careful as me. The next step is using guard number 1 and the lever is still 3/4 open and just a bit lower than guard number 1. Here is the other side with the same guard and the lever is 3/4 open. And just be careful not going to the 1.5 area that we cut it. So the next step is using guard 0.5 and the lever is same 3/4 open. You can see now I'm just cutting close to the trimmer area and lower than guard number 1. And the next step is now using the clipper without any guard on it and the lever 3/4 open. And I say this one again, you don't have to go so much high. So now we are on the back. You can see he has lots of bones at the back side and here is the right side. So I'm done with the lever 3/4 open. Now just close the lever and using the clipper and work on the trimmer line. So you can see I'm being careful not go so much high and using just the clipper. And the next step is using again the guard 0.5 and the lever is 3/4 open and working on that area which is guard number 1 we already did. So now I open the lever 3/4 open, lever 3/4 open, and now I'm working on this area. See, I'm just using the corner of machine. You have to use like me, you don't have to use the whole blade. And here is the right side, so you can see. And the next step is using overcomb machine. For these techniques you have to be so careful and you have to hold the comb very carefully and not hold the comb inside of the hair. You just look at how I hold the comb and using clipper over the comb. Look at carefully. So the next step using the cutting scissors and just on those spots which looks very dark, you can see some area looks very dark, so I'm gonna just reduce some hair. And now here I'm using the shaver for the button. When you use the shaver you can see you just create a very tiny line. So after that I'm gonna use the trimmer for that line and just vanish that line. So you can see how the line is faded. And here is the back and the right side. You can see the line of the shaver and here I'm done. So we go on to the next step. So now this gentleman asked me to put a line for him, and I'm lining up. Just make sure you just lining up very clean and tidy. After that, I'm using the blade for it and shave that line too. Well, I finished the cutting and I already washed the hair, and the final step is to style his hair. Now I'm using the hair dryer. After that, I'm gonna use some spread on your palm and put on his hair. And you can see how I apply the pomade on his hair. Just spread the pomade on his hair equally, and after that you should use a brush and style his hair, give some volume. Okay guys, the next step is using some spray to hold the hairstyle. I'm done. Here is the high skin fade. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment below. I'll see you in the next video tutorial haircut.